A Philippine governor has brought a case before the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, calling for a probe in the alleged close ally of former House Speaker Martin Romualdez. MJ Monihar for the report.
Davao del Norte Governor Edwin Obahib appealed before the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee this Monday, September 29, to call for an investigation into allegedly unexplained wealth. The investigation targets Sophonias Ponyong Gabunada, who served as House Deputy Secretary General under former Speaker Martin Romualdez. According to Obahib, Gabunada's neighbors in Tagum City approached him with questions about Gabunada's sudden wealth.
Yung bahay niya doon sa Dara in Apokon, Tagum City, and napakalaking halaga kung tingnan natin, kung i-evaluate lang natin, multi-million ang yung asset na yan. At na-acquired lang niya last 2023.
This grand property in Barangay Mapaang, Mako, Davao de Oro was also reported to Governor Obahib as allegedly owned by Gabunada.
Malaki ang nangyaring development. Parang 4 na eleganteng bahay at may swimming pool na kinonstruct doon. So yung private resort na yan, malaki ang budget at yan ay nakapangalan doon sa kanyang kapatid. At kung tingnan natin, wala naman ding negosyo at walang trabaho.
Apart from these properties, the governor also received reports that Gabunada allegedly owns heavy equipment. The post of House Deputy Secretary General carries salary grade 30, with a monthly salary ranging from more than 196,000 pesos to over 202,000 pesos. As an ally of Romualdez, who is now also linked to flood control kickbacks, the people of Davao del Norte are demanding that Gabunada explain the source of these alleged assets, first reported in a major newspaper.
Nakakahiya po sa probinsya ng Davao del Norte na yung lumabas sa Manila Times ay yung mismong taga Davao del Norte, constituents natin, na sabi doon na ang dami na niyang properties ngayon na hindi naman tukma doon sa sahod niya sa Kongreso.
Gabunada earlier dismissed accusations against him as a false report, false information, and false narrative. He insisted it is politically motivated and intended to damage his reputation. Obahib clarified that it is not politicking, stressing that it was President Bongbong Marcos himself who directed them to investigate questionable projects.
Yes po, mismo ang ating Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang nagsabi sa amin sa mga governors lahat nung pinatawag kami na kailangan maimbestigahan ang mga kahinahinalang mga proyekto ng national government agency like DPWH, NIA, and yung kung ano ang makita namin na mga irregularities, mga corruption issues, flood controls, concreting projects, bridges.
Before becoming Deputy Secretary General, Gabunada served as Public Information Officer of Davao del Norte. He asserted that those spreading lies will not escape accountability.
Sa Senado po, dahil nasubmit ko na yung documents natin, ako po yung nakiusap sa Blue Ribbon Committee to urging the investigation of Mr. Sophonias Ponyong Gabunada in aid of legislation. So yun po ang aking pakiusap para mabilis po na makita natin ang katotohanan.
SMNI News reached out to Mr. Gabunada for his additional response on the issue, but so far, no reply. Reporting for Newsline World, this has been MJ Mondeha, SMNI News.